In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Notion to PDF. If you've ever needed to save a clean, shareable version of a Notion page, exporting to PDF is a quick and reliable way to do it. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish and point out a few helpful tips along the way so your export turns out exactly the way you expect. First, open your browser and go to notion.com. If you already have the desktop app, you can use that instead. The steps are the same. On the website, click Login if you're signing in through the browser, or click Launch Notion to open the app if it's installed. Sign in with your usual method, and once you're in, head to your workspace. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure the correct one is selected. You can switch workspaces from the top left area or the workspace switcher if needed. Next, navigate to the specific page you want to export. Take a moment to scan the page for any content that needs updating, because whatever you see here is what will appear in the PDF. Check that headings, images, and any databases or toggles look the way you want. If your page has subpages, be aware that you'll have options in the export window that can include them, but we'll focus on the main page export. Now, look to the top right corner of your Notion page for the three-dot icon. This is the page menu. Click it to open more options. Scroll down through the menu and select Export. This opens the export panel where you control the format and a few related settings. In the export panel, open the drop-down for export format. You'll see several choices. Choose PDF. PDF is great because it keeps your formatting intact and is easy to share or print. After selecting PDF, you can glance at any visible options to confirm they match your needs. For most cases, the default settings work well and produce a clear, readable document. When you're ready, click Export. Notion will process the page and then prompt you to save the file. Choose a folder on your computer where you want to keep the PDF, give it a clear file name, and save it. Once it's downloaded, open the PDF to verify everything looks good. Check page breaks, images, and any tables to make sure they exported correctly. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Notion page to a PDF ready to share, archive, or print. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.